Okay, hey, hope everybody's doing well. So I managed to glue the wires here and glue these wires up here. It's kind of like a silicone based. And basically I want to say the reason why they do that is because as the arms are moving in and out, the wires might move a little bit, and they don't want you to, for them to get pulled out. So now I've just got to put this guy in there, going all backwards. Let's see if we can get this in there. And this has to go underneath there. There you go. Okay. Alrighty, and so now let's put the screws in there. Yeah, and this is a Phillips, God, what is it? I think it's a 00. Need to get my glasses. It says S20. Let me see if it'll fit in here. Yep, it seems to fit. Yep. I'm not sure. I know the video I was watching, the QC guy, drone repair guy, he said it was a 00, but I don't know. Yeah, that seems to fit also. And again, I'm going counterclockwise first, and I don't know if y'all can hear the snap. I'm going to move it close to the mic. And that just means the threads are all lined up. So this tool, this spins, so it's real easy to maneuver. And then if you pull this out right here, it extends. So pretty cool. All right. I'll go back and just snug tighten them here just a bit. It's tight, snug tight, snug tight. That's snug tight. So there's that one. So there's that one, and finally that one right there. Okay, now I think it's the cage. That's going to go up there. And everything should work real nice now. Yep. Yep. Okay. All right, so I'll get the cage on, then I'll come back in a bit. Okay, I know it's hard to see, but there's kind of like a clip here that has to go around that. And then you gotta be careful with the ribbon cables, you don't mess them up. And then there's another one on this side over here, so let me struggle with this and see if I can get it to go here. Okay, I think that's it. It's gotta go down. All right, there we go. It snapped in over here. Let me just make sure on this side. All right, it snapped in. And so did this side. So there's a little groove inside here. Oh, let me see if I can get that. There's a little groove inside here where this guy snaps into it, and then it has to snap into here. And then this snaps in right there. Well, it doesn't snap in, it just goes there. Don't forget to put this guy and then we need to, oh, yeah, I just pulled it out. Come on, go in, yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get these two screws in at the back here real quick. That way it doesn't move on me when I'm trying to get all this over here ready to go. Okay. That seems to be in there. Let me get the other one up here. Okay, I'm not gonna tighten them totally tight yet, but I've put in this guy back here in the back as I'm just want to make sure everything is okay over here. Okay. That should be it. Let me loosen this one just a hair. There we go. Yeah, so there is a groove that goes all the way in here on this part, and this thing sits in there, and also obviously over here you can almost see it, but it definitely has to sit in there. All right. Yeah, it has to be also perfect because this is where the battery goes in, but definitely there is a groove in this guy, and there's a lip on this guy that sits in between that groove there. All right, so that's, I think we got that going. Oh God, don't tell me that thing moved. There we go. Okay. All right, so now what I want to do is I'm going to put this screw up here on there. We'll put this screw in so that doesn't come out. And I'm snugging that one. I'm going to snug it. And I'm going to do this one over here. This guy right there. Okay, again, just snug. I'll come back and tighten them just a little bit more. Let me do the next one. Be careful with the ribbon cable. Okay. Let's get, this one right here. You know what? I may have to do that to that one to get this guy in. God, that one didn't give me an audible click. You know, when you go reverse lefty loosey, you'll hear the snap of the. Okay, now this guy right here, this guy goes behind this right here. Okay, so you got to be aware of that. And then this one goes right here. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and plug these guys in. These are the two front sensors. I'm going to plug them in, and then I'm going to set this guy in. There's a black screw up here and the rest of them are silver, and then there's two black screws to go. If I'm not mistaken, go back here. Okay, I'm going to do that off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, for these really small screws, it's definitely a 0. This is a P00. For some reason they're both working, but this was magnetized, and so it makes it a lot easier to get these guys into place. And on these screws, I am going backwards to line up the threads. But I'm not hearing the audible click when they line up, but I am feeling it. Yeah. Okay, I'll be back a little bit.